In today's video, we'll explore the wonders of lion's mane mushroom, including its definition, general health benefits, and, perhaps most excitingly, its proven anti-cancer properties. What are lion's mane mushrooms? Lion's mane mushroom is an edible fungus native to Asia, North America, and Europe. Its unique name comes from its appearance, with long, shaggy white spines resembling a lion's mane. Lion's mane mushrooms are often used in traditional Chinese medicine for their potential health benefits, such as improving brain function and reducing inflammation. They are also gaining popularity in the West as a superfood due to their high nutrient content. You can incorporate them into soups, stews, and stir-fries, or use them in vegetarian and vegan dishes as a meat substitute due to their meaty texture. What are the health benefits of lion's mane mushrooms? Lion's mane mushroom is a unique and fascinating fungus with potential health benefits that include cognitive health. Lion's mane is often touted for its potential to support cognitive function as it may stimulate nerve growth factor (NGF) production. Nervous system support. Due to its potential to promote nerve growth, lion's mane may be beneficial for individuals with neurological conditions like Alzheimer's disease or peripheral neuropathy. Mood and mental health. It is believed to help with anxiety and depression by supporting a healthy nervous system. Immune system support. Lion's mane contains bioactive compounds that may boost the immune system. What makes lion's mane mushrooms a cancer-fighting food? Lion's mane mushrooms are a source of antioxidants that help combat free radicals, which can cause DNA damage and increase the risk of cancer development. Antioxidants can help reduce oxidative stress in the body. In addition to that, lion's mane may help reduce stress and anxiety, which can be important for cancer patients' overall well-being and quality of life during treatment. A 2018 study isolated several important anti-cancer compounds in lion's mane mushrooms, including cerebroside E and HEP3 protein. Although more human studies are needed to confirm the anti-cancer effects and determine the optimal dosage, these mushrooms remain a culinary delight with a rich history. If you're passionate about exploring natural health solutions, be sure to check out the link in the show notes for exclusive access to our free anti-cancer workshop. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, there are 99 more life-changing anti-cancer food videos waiting for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on the most crucial wellness-related trends.